Hello students, demonstration of question number 9 of the chapter triangle. On question number 9.1, we have to find the value of x and y. First, find the value of y from the theorem of linear pair. That is, the sum of the linear pair is 180 degree. From there, you will get the value of y equal to 80 degree. Now, 60 degree is given to you. You have find out that y is equal to 80 degree, and from the theorem of sum of the three angles of triangle is equal to 180 degree, you can find out the result of the x or the value of the x or the magnitude of the x as 40 degree. Now come to question number 9.2. Here the linear pair will be 180 degree. So at first I have made an equation, that is angle ACB plus angle ACD equal to 180 degree, that is linear pair. Next, I have performed another equation, that is angle ABC plus angle BCA plus angle CAB is equal to 180 degree, and the value of x is 30 degree. So substituting the value of x in each of the equation, we get the desired result as y is equal to 150 degree. Substituting or putting the value of x in the equation number 1, we get the value of x is equal to 150 degree. On question number 9, number 3, I have mentioned the triangle as ABC and extend to x and y on its left hand and right hand side respectively. Now, angle ABC plus angle ABX equal to 180 degree, as it is a linear pair. Therefore, angle ABC becomes 80 degree. Now, angle ACB plus angle ACY equal to 180 degree, that is linear pair, and the result become 60 degree. Now, for the triangle ABC, we get angle ABC equal to 80 degree, angle ACB equal to 60 degree. So, from the theorem of sum of the angles of a triangle equal to 180 degree, we can easily find out that the value of the x is 40 degree. Now move on to question number 10.1. Here you have to find out the value of the x. Again, using the same theorem, that is sum of the angles of triangle is 180 degree, we can find out that angle PRQ is equal to 50 degree. Now from the theorem of linear pair, we found out that the value of the x is 130 degree. On question number 10, number 2, I have drawn the triangle ABC and extend to D, and here angle BAD is equal to 100 degree, that is given. So angle BAC is equal to 180 degree minus angle BAD, that is 100 degree. Therefore angle BAC is equal to 80 degree. Now we get all the other remaining angles, that is 80 degree and 60 degree is given. Therefore angle ABC or x is equal to 40 degree. And here also we have used the two theorem, that is linear pair, and the sum of the interior angle of a triangle is 180 degree. On question number 10, number 3, here in triangle ABC, I have extended it to D, and we get angle BCA equal to x, angle BAC equal to 2x, angle CBD equal to 120 degree. Now on angle ABC, 180 degree minus angle CBD. Therefore angle ABC becomes 60 degree. Now in the triangle ABC, we have 60 degree plus x degree plus 2x degree equal to 180 degree. After performing the algebraic operations over here, that is x plus 2x equal to 3x, and from the method of transpositions, 180 degree minus 60 degree becomes 120 degree. Therefore the value of x is 40 degree. Now we put the value of x in the different equations. We get x equal to 40 degree, 2x equal to 80 degree, and angle ABC equal to 60 degree. We have find it out earlier. Now move on to question number 12.1. Here in the triangle ABC, we get angle ABC equal to 50 degree, angle BAC equal to 30 degree. Therefore angle ACB equal to 180 degree minus angle ABC plus angle BAC in the first bracket, as sum of the angles of the triangle is 180 degree. Therefore from the mathematical operations, we can find out that angle ACB is equal to 100 degree. Now angle DCE is equal to 180 degree minus angle ACB, that is the linear pair. So angle DCE becomes 80 degree. Therefore in triangle ECD, we have angle EDC equal to 35 degree, angle DCE equal to 80 degree. Therefore once again using the same theorem, that is sum of the interior angles of the triangle is 180 degree, and we found out that the angle DCE is 65 degree. Therefore once again using the theorem of linear pair, we get x is equal to 115 degree. Come to the last sum of the exercise. Here, a complete angle measures 360 degree. Therefore, on triangle ABD, 180 degree minus angle ABD plus angle BAD in the first bracket. So 30 plus 40 is equal to 70. So 180 minus 70 degree. Therefore, angle ADB equal to 110 degree. The theorem is used. Sum of the interior angles of the triangle is measured 180 degree. Again, in the triangle BDC, using the same technique or the method, we have found out that angle BDC is equal to 130 degree. Therefore, angle ACD equal to 360 degree minus angle ADB plus angle BDC in the first bracket, as complete angle measures 360 degree. Therefore, from the mathematical operations, we find out that X is equal to 120 degree. So that's the end of our chapter. I have followed some method for solving the problem or to find out the solution of the problem. You can always choose any other method to solve the problems, and the method must be valid and reasonable. Thank you. Hope you have understood the lesson. And if you like our lessons, please like the video, and if possible, then please share and comment and subscribe our channel. Thank you and have a nice day.